In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Flow. By the end, you'll be comfortable launching the tool, starting a project, adding media, and generating either images or videos with clear, intentional settings. First, open your browser and head to labs.google/fx. On that page, look for the button that says Launch Flow. Clicking it opens the creative workspace where everything happens. Inside the workspace, choose New Project to spin up a fresh canvas. This gives you a clean place to organize ideas and outputs. From there, open the dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your control center. It's where you'll keep track of assets and generation settings. On the main project screen, click Start Creating or Drop Media. If you already have files, you can drag them in. Otherwise, you'll set up everything from scratch here. You'll also see a plus icon. Click that whenever you want to add content or tools. Choose Upload Image to bring in a reference, inspirational photo, or any source image you plan to build from. Now you can decide what to make. If you want to create an image, select the image option. Start by choosing an aspect ratio. This determines the shape of your final picture, like square for social posts or widescreen for banners. Next, customize how many results you want. More results give you more variations to compare, which is great for exploring style and composition. If you'd rather create a video, switch to the video option. Begin by setting the frames. Frames influence timing and motion. More frames generally mean a smoother, longer clip. Then choose the ingredients. Ingredients are the elements your video will use, such as reference images or other guiding inputs that inform the animation or scene. After that, set the aspect ratio so your video fits the platform or display you have in mind. Finally, adjust the quality setting. Higher quality can produce sharper details but may take longer to render, so balance speed and fidelity based on your needs. With your mode and settings in place, add your prompt, then generate. A clear descriptive prompt helps the model capture your intent. Include the subject, style, color palette, mood, and any key details that matter most. While it processes, you'll see progress in the interface and your results will appear in the project once they're ready. That's it. You've launched Google Flow, created a project, added media, configured image or video settings, and generated outputs guided by your prompt. Use these controls to iterate with confidence and bring your ideas to life.